Perfect. The invisible fridge is done.
Time to grab a snack for a little lunch break. Lunchtime.
Awesome. These hot food in the hot way. I will get some fries. Let's go. It's hungry working on some Windows XP things. I will grab a snack for a break. Alright. Let's eat. Wow, look at all of these foods. I will grab the protongen food. This is going to be tasty.
I will grab some food for Genie, Tiny, me, Rover, Genius, and others. Let's go. That snack was yummy. Now I will watch some TV.
Hello. This is James on Agent News, and we will be covering up the news. Do you know that invisible fridge? Well, guess what? Peedy the parrot was the creator that made it. That's right. So Peedy, tell us, why did you came up with the idea to make an invisible fridge? Well, James, I wanted to make this because there is not many fridges in MSAgent land. Indeed. Your idea wasn't bad. Thanks, James. No problem. So yeah, this is James from Agent News signing off.
Woo! Wait, so Peedy was under all of this? I better go tell all my friends about this.